little girl thought the world was perfect. I stood on the line waiting my turn and tick-tock the clock went by. Each man to his own, so my dad would say. Everyone gets to his turn and also gets a story to tell. He said, take a look away from here, the world is not what you think. Take a step out of the magazine, step out the magazine. Life is a journey, still you will see. It's okay to dream and be what you want to be, yes. But don't be stuck too long in your magazine. The world is bigger than you ever thought it would be, yes. Ooh. Said, take a look away from here, the world is not what you think. Take a step out of the magazine, step out the magazine. Ooh, was a little girl, thought the world was perfect. I stood on the line waiting my turn and tick-tock the clock went by. He said, take a look away from here, the world is not what you think. No, take a step out of the magazine, step out the magazine. Be patient, be patient, be patient. Take your time. Ooh, be patient, be patient, be patient. Take your time. Ooh, be patient, be patient, be patient. Take your time.
Okay, finito. All right, today very, very beautiful guest. They now get inside the house, funny, creative, beautiful, and at the same time very, very soulful. And this soulful partner I want to introduce, ladies and gentlemen. Now her video now just watch now, and her name now Lindsey. Mona jam on our hands together for Lindsey. Now for that video we watched just now, I must talk this thing. The first time I watched that video, my heart has get carried away. Because me, I is enter into a loving for the video. Even myself, I'm shocked for myself. You understand what I talk just now? somehow, I don't say you understand.
Somehow.
But actually, beautiful video.
Thank you.
Who produced and directed them?
Kemi Adetiba.
If you do anywhere they watch now, you do better work. Not every video must be fireful everywhere. People know wear clothes. One thing. To me, they should say we know the two think. Because that one is easy to just do. Oh yeah, we need 40 girls. We know wear clothes. We need 70 moto. We need one dark street. Yeah. Video don't start to. If did not be to put speaker for one place, but this one now show details, details. But like I talked just now, the person who I love part, and they carry the love, carry the rainbow, carry the everything. But beautiful video. What's the title of that track?
Out the Magazine.
Out the Magazine. People they call you the replacement for the likes of Asha and all those ones. Them. Me and you talk to anybody be replacement. Yeah. For me, everybody they come with their own different things. But how this particular kind of music? Because now soul music, Abi. How soul music take be for you? So why you not decide to do all those other big? You decide to face soul music.
My pigeon know well.
Just the knockout, nothing there.
But for me, soul music is more an expression of myself than it is anything. It's not. It's not that I don't like pop. It's just not me. Okay. So for me, soul music is a part. It shows a part of who Lindsey is. So I mean, doing it, I know that there's been pressure to do, you know. Of
course, especially because people they do enough of this nonsense music up and down now. Then they make the money. People they when they sing the correct song. Then now they don't they hammer like that. But lastly, that's why they happy say people like them Asa and rest of them Bears and some other people we don't they don't sit down there say we know they change we didn't remain on this particular thing nothing will pressure us to change the whole thing, which I did very, very happy for. But now you be law graduates.
Yes.
See, when you do your cut things and everything, they carry guitar, they walk up and down. I've been waiting. Say you don't get the love for the soul since.
Music has been there, but first of all, you have to go to school first.
True.
Yeah, my parents didn't want me to not go to school. So I did law, but
they tried to choke the pigeon. So they try.
Okay.
You're not that again now. You are area somebody.
I know. Now I be just girl.
Okay, you grew up for just.
I was born raised.
Blood. You know that girl. At the time we will be acquired born by blood too. So let's continue on the whole thing.
Anyway, I finished law. My papa said make I do law. I did try some.
I encourage you for you. Go Lindsey.
But music now my first love. Nobody say I know like the law, but music get me more than law. And personally, I feel that if I did do law, I should like it. I should be into it. True. It's not something that you handle anyhow. So I decided to leave it and focus on the music that I like.
So that means if me and my DJ exhibit that one kind of trouble now, well, we still call you.
No.
Oh, so you don't go visit our Allah. So now go baby that. You go say we get lawyer. She go take all of you now. When she charge now go court. Lindsey come. Lindsey just show. I'm not fit. They'll pack all of us, 3 of us go to prison. Not be joke.
At least I don't want you now, so no go look for trouble.
So people no go fight trouble at all. Just in case. Now you don't do songs with them, the likes of MI and all of that Loopy family.
Yes.
But how all of things are still based on the Justin?
Yes. You know, so when I finished secondary school, now that time where I meet them Jude and Jesse and
so most people will know MI personally. They call her Jude. I also clear with people. If you hear Jude, now MI. So now you go know say that they're on the personal P because now I gotta do Jehovah.
Yes. Yes. So after that, they got signed. Chucky City, you know, carry all of them go.
Yes.
But eventually now I had to eat.
Time go reach now. Not definitely.
I had to eat. I had to do something for myself. So it's not like we still talk. We still keep in contact, but but our music, we they follow different paths. So.
But last, I know no quarrel, no wahala.
No
all my job
quarrel,
now, hustle things now.
Yeah, of course.
Now you be there for Project Fame.
Yes.
I know, so you be enter that year.
Yes.
What a gone. How do you think they go for you?
Now maybe the first evictee for that season.
They say you begin there for that house. You cause quarrel for the full house. Say you worry everybody. Well, don't try me. Don't try me.
No.
What's it
There was a squabble with one girl.
Okay, bring down the squabble. Squabble that say you won't get begin with yourself. Now see the big things actually at the end of the day. But well, you are just a human being. I mean, anything can happen. Last now you did for the show today, so is that also? But finally, you get one alter ego. Quebec
and Brown. My
Brown.
2 alter egos.
Your 2 alter egos. I mean, just tell us about them as we round up on the whole thing now.
Quebec now the one may say I go sit like this.
Okay, Quebec. Okay, now Quebec is this
the
one.
Proper.
Okay.
Brown now the crazy one, the one that is the music head, the one that tries different things, the one that decides not to be in her video.
Okay. Because I've been saying I go ask that question. you know that your own video, that now very bold move, because your face no show at all for the full video. So now Brown be that one.
Yes.
I go like meet Brown. When we go see?
Very soon.
Very soon.
In fact, if you just take this one off now, you just see Brown.
Make I take
No, not now. Not now.
Just come out as you know work for Julius Ibrahim. If you go work on the Brown because you're Brown alpha. So, but finally now you get like 3 singles. How many singles on board now?
I have 1 single that I promote now. That's out the magazine.
Okay.
But I get 1 EP called Brown, where I released before this. But out the magazine day for that EP. But you go also day for the album.
Okay. So how soon do you expect the album from me now? For me, I would like involved for that. So I would like to. I did sing self. Yeah. You don't feel the music feel. Hallelujah. I'm not put hallelujah. They will start church sings. All right, but how soon do you expect the album from me?
Like April, May. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. When the album don't drop, make sure say we know because we would like involved too. Because for some of us, we say we soul music lovers too. They really. But we say thank you to you for joining us on the show today. I know you don't wait since, but you show how people they're very determined to make sure say they bring us better music, not just to show face, but also give us better music. So, Lindsey, thank you very, very much. You joined us on top the late night show today, and please, they give us more better music.
Definitely.
Make people like you now. They do this thing, to come out all this noise for area. We don't tire for noise.
Definitely.
So thank you very much, my dear.
Thank you.
You follow us on top of the show, and we wish you the best.
Thank you.
When the album drop, now we know.
You gonna know.
You gonna know. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope so you don't enjoy every on top of the late night show for today. Biggest thank you to Juliet Ibrahim for joining us on the show. Chiyong, thank you very much for giving us the Chunwaha and Chingwan Chinchan Cha. I know Sabi speak, I don't know not Japanese or not Chinese that they do. But and also for biggest thank you to Lindsey. Say hello to Quebec and Brown to Ross.
I got.
But if they don't follow you on top Twitter, how do they follow you?
My Twitter handle be Miss Lindsey on. I go spell them. MISSLIND_SEA.
Okay, and on top of Instagram.
The same handle.
The same thing. All right, so we can follow her on top of Instagram and of course on top of our Twitter account. All right, and please follow the Late Night Show at W Late Night Show on top Twitter. Make we relate on top every. From myself, Easy Beats, we say biggest thank you to all of now. We join us for the show this night and make sure you catch better rest. We go see you now tomorrow. God bless everybody.
She said she wants some collabo. She need them badly be like tornado. She talks say I they play like Ronaldo. The thing they sweeter like don't just say Minado. Eminado. We gon' go Monaco. I rock her body, give her Orlando. She just the holla, she the stream of Brigado. As I the fire, I they call her Molado. My Molado. Oh yeah, baby, make we collabo. I know you want me collabo. Yeah. I go sing for you, you go sing for me. Na collabo, she wants some collabo.